What's up everybody, and welcome back to VersaStyle's Career Advice for the Youth series. Today's topic is 3 steps to writing a personal statement. My name is Weston, aka Full Out, and if you like this video, be sure to check out the other videos in the series on resume writing and interview skills. But now, without further ado, let's get to it. Perfect. So a personal statement is something that you can add to your resume or your CV. And it's a short paragraph that should be 3 to 5 sentences long. And it really can make you stand out amongst the crowd. Rather than most resumes and CVs are just a list of skills and experiences, a personal statement can add some personality and uniqueness to a resume or a CV. Some questions to think about before writing your personal statement are, what do you stand for? What makes you unique? What are your strengths? Asking yourself these questions before you write will help your personal statement flow and be bold and impactful. So now, 3 steps to writing a personal statement. Step number 1, start with an I am statement. An I am statement can be anything that makes you feel confident and proud. So who are you? What makes you unique? Is it your cultural heritage? Is it your background? Is it your political beliefs? Is it your art? Whatever makes you feel unique, confident, and proud is what you want to say in your I am statement. Step number 2, follow up with a statement about your strengths as a potential employee. So take a look at your resume or your CV and look at the various responsibilities you've had at your jobs, any volunteer work you've done, or even any odd jobs you used to do. What are the things you're good at? What are your strengths? And then put those in a 1 to 2 sentence format. Step number 3, finish with an I am grateful for statement. What are you grateful for? Your family, your community, your art, your life? Finishing with an I am grateful for statement shows humility and shows maturity. And it's always good to be reminded about what you're grateful for. Once you've written your personal statement, read it out loud to yourself. Read it out loud to a friend or a family member. Practice saying it over and over again. Of course, to make sure it's proofread and there's no typos and all that good stuff, but also make sure it makes you feel proud. Yeah, make sure you're proud of what you've written and the things you're saying about yourself. This is a great practice to update every couple of years as you grow and mature. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you got some valuable steps to writing your own personal statement. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the VersaStyle channel, and feel free to view all of our other offerings in the Advice for Youth series. We've got a lot to offer, and we hope you're enjoying these videos. You can follow VersaStyle on our social media channels on Facebook and Instagram at VersaStyleLA. You can find me on Instagram at FulloutAt89. Again, thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Peace.